Mr. Universe here, of course. Time for another episode of my isolation blues. Hope you all enjoy the video and get a good laugh. Alright, so I just buried one right there. Ow, god damn it. Gonna be putting it inside here. Are you serious?
Let's see that in an instant replay.
Okay, that was cool. Okay, so you remember that failure? Remember this? I'm going to do it to that right there. That looks like fun. I bet you it'll be a lot more frail. Alright, I got it all set up. You can see the fuse. It still didn't blow up. Damn, that was a good explosion. Alright, well here's kind of the remnants of everything. There's the inside. I think I'm gonna have to go and get me some better ones. It's still crackling. Okay, so that didn't work out. So what I'm gonna try and use this time is an M80. M80s are just complete and utter explosives.
What the hell is that?
So yeah, let's see what we can do. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put it right in here. And then I'm going to use that block right there, this block right here, to hold the fuse in place. Maybe I can tape it or something. I bet you I can tape it. Finally got it figured out. Here we go.
Woohoo! Look at that shit!
What the fuck? Alright, so that's what's left of it after I taped it and all that. And there's the mark from it blowing everything out the bottom. Whatever.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we have ourselves another little thing to play around with here that I make shit. Those are what's called little dynamites. Put all together, they make up, let's just say that they make up some pretty awesome stuff. We're gonna try and blow that up again. Okay, here we go. Again.